My name is Stefanie Habenicht. I'm a lecturer for organic chemistry at the University of Florida. I attended a workshop about active learning in organic chemistry, and one of the other faculty who attended mentioned Gradescope and how it was very useful and about how it made grading a lot more efficient. So after learning that it was available during a pilot at UF, I gave it a try and I haven't looked back since. I'm able to give much more precise feedback. Instead of just telling students how many points are deducted for an answer, I can tell them exactly why those points were deducted. My favorite way of using Gradescope is to find creative ways of using the automated grouping features for answers. I can provide detailed feedback to a large number of students at once. For example, all students that made one particular mistake, their answers are put into one group, and that group is graded at once. All students see the same exact rubric item applied, and I am able to submit additional written feedback to those students, which I also only have to type once, and all students whose answers are in that particular group will see the same exact feedback for their answer. My advice to faculty is to think about the grading process when they write their exams. For example, if I ask my students to name a specific molecule whose structure is shown, I tend to split those questions up into multiple parts, typically 4, and make the question worth 4 points. If I find that a point deduction for a specific error is perhaps a little excessive, and I reduce it to a lesser penalty, for example, that will immediately apply to every student who had that same rubric item selected. I think slowly more people in the chemistry department will start using it. A lot of us already are.